If you're a trader and you decided to take next week off, I'm going to tell you why you need to change your plans. It's the week ahead preview right now. We'll start things off with a look at the economic calendar. Important dates to keep in mind coming up this week. Tuesday, housing starts. The builders will be in play. Have a look at Lennar industrial production for July. That can move the market if it does come in one way or the other big enough. Wednesday, the big one though, put a star beside it because it will move the retailers. Retail sales for July coming pre-market on Wednesday at 8:30. Typically, we get energy inventories on Thursday, then at 10:30, and then initial jobless claims at 8:30 this week. All right, let's move on to earnings season. We are getting through most of the S&P 500, including 87% of the S&P 500 has now 75% have beat expectations with quarterly earnings. Let's check out what is coming this week. Monday, before the open, however, one that we trade quite frequently, and that is Li Auto. The Chinese EV makers will be in play. Here's what Tuesday looks like, a busy one. Tencent Music, speaking of Chinese companies, after the close, we'll get TME. And then it's all about the retail names. Top right there, Walmart and Home Depot set to report. We'll also get the next day, both Lowe's and Target before the open reporting earnings. So we get retail sales data for July. We also get a ton of retailers reporting earnings coming up this week. Bath and Body Works. We also get BJ Wholesale's Kohl's coming through as well to wrap up what has been just an absolute monster earnings season. Let's continue along with a look at the top search stocks on the internet from this week. Once again, Rivian topping the list. Rivian had a ton of news last week. We'll see what this week brings from not only the EV makers in general, but RIVN, always worth a trade. Digital World Acquisition Corporation, another subpoena coming through for former U.S. President Trump, was highly searched at the end of last week. We get Polestar as well in this list, another EV maker to have a look at. Here comes one of the biggest news catalysts of the week, AMC. What a move it has had over the past week and a half. We'll continue to watch AMC shares. Yeah, coming up this Friday after the close, you will get one APE Special Dividend share for every share that you own for AMC. Watch out for that if you're an AMC shareholder. Should provide some trading opportunities this week. And as always, we'll wrap things up with a look at what Neal and Shawn are looking forward to coming up this week. For Neal, he's going into the retail sector with Lowe's, as we saw on the board this week, set to report earnings after the close on Wednesday. Not only Lowe's, but Home Depot and Target always give you great trading opportunities around earnings. Shawn, on the other hand, staying on that AMC bandwagon. What a trade it's been over the past week and a half. Shawn, all about the 30 level. Remember, this thing was all the way up at 30 as early as April this year. We'll see if we can get back to 30 once again for AMC. Going to be an absolute monster week. Make sure you join us Monday, 8:30 Eastern on TraderTV.Live.